is DNA glycosylase. It identifies the modified base and remove them out of the double helix. Okay. The empty region in the DNA where the base has been removed is called AP site. So AP means abasic site, which means it is devoid of any purine or pyrimidine in base. Sometimes it is also referred as apurinic or apyrimidinic. Okay, that is the which portion is devoid of purine or pyrimidine, right? In the next step, AP endonuclease cleaves the region to yield 3-OH group and 5' phosphate group. DNA polymerase is then identify the